Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I've shown you the unboxing of the Pixel 5 Sword of Sage, and Google also sent over a case here for it. This is obviously their fabric case that they have for their devices. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and we'll put it on. Nice and beautiful. Yep. I've actually purchased these cases before, and they have Team Pixel everywhere, baby. Team Pixel. I've actually purchased this case before. Pretty decent case. It's not the best case for sure, but if you're just starting out and you want something on your device, this is a option for it. And if you're strictly Team Pixel, you're only buying this case or anything that comes from Google. So some people get down like that, some people don't. It's totally up to you. But some people, when they buy a device, this is all they're buying until it breaks or until they move on to something else. Because remember, consumers don't really buy phones every year or every 6 months like technology people do. So you've got a white covered button here. It would have been cool if this was sort of sage, like a green or whatever offset, but that's fine. Covering up this beautiful color here is it's hard. So probably going to go with some kind of clear case later on. But for now, this fabric case actually feels really good. And if you're a person who wears certain types of clothing, it'll stick in your pocket. When you put it in your pocket, if you're a guy, it won't slide around. It's nothing worse than having a case that's slippery. Not a good look. So this case has a texture to it. It's really nice and grippy. You see the cutout for the camera on the back there, and then you've got your fingerprint reader cut out on this side. You can't see the volume rocker, and I like that because they're highlighting the power button right there. I want you to focus on that too, to let you know where your power button is. Obviously on this side there's nothing. The bottom is open for all the ports to make it easy access, and you got that microphone on the top. The inside obviously has this nice grippy soft touch velvety type of material, and you've got Google Pixel 5 down there, and it's kind of embroidered in there. It has a little texture. So we're going to go ahead and pop the phone on. Now I always go power button first, and then slide it in, and man, that feels good. That lets you know that this is going to be really good for phone calls. Grip. I like to hold my phones. A lot of people, I use Bluetooth, but a lot of people like to hold their devices still. I do. I like to hold my device. And that also lets me know where it's at, because I'm the type of person, sometimes I'm like, where are my glasses at? And they're on my face or on my head. So having this case right here, you do have a little bit of lip protection, just a hair, but a little bit of hair, but you can actually put a screen protector on it, just like I did with my Pixel 4a. If you flip it over, you get some highlight of what color you have, and then also you can see it on the bottom there. Ports are everything. It's just open all the way for you, so no getting confused on where you're going to put anything, because you will have open access. So this is the case. Fingerprint reader works good. Buttons, this is a tight fitting case too, so it's really good. Power button obviously works good. Nice and open area, nice open area there for the fingerprint reader. So I highly suggest that you put on a fingerprint reader, or set up your fingerprint reader first before doing so, and then if you want to set up another set while it's with the case on. Some people have all kinds of ways they like to set up their fingerprint readers, so up to you. But there it is, the Pixel 5 fabric case. Beautiful case, no ifs, ands, or buts. Let's see how this one holds up over time. See you in the next video. Take care.